What's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel called Snippets. So this is our first video and this question is sort colors, which is available on Leetcode, and it is a medium level question. So its other type is like we have to sort an array of 0, 1 and 2. Like similar question it is. So first of all we will understand the question, then we will move on to the intuition, and finally we will code that question in Java. So now let's move on to the question. So we are given an array which consisting of n colored objects, like it includes the 3 color red, white and blue. So we have to sort all that colors. Okay, and one thing is there, like we have to consider red as 0, white as 1 and blue as 2. So what the question says, we have to arrange the colored like objects into the order, like if red are occurring, like red is 0, so red will come first, like all the red balls will come first. After that the white ones will come, and after that blue will come. So likewise we have to arrange like group of them. So firstly the red group will come, after that the white will come, and after that blue will come. This is our example, like consider this as an example. We have an array consisting of 2, 0, 2, 1, 1 and 0. Okay, so firstly what we will do, we will just count the occurrences of each element. Now one thing I want to say, like you can also solve this with the help of the sorting algorithms, like but it can't be optimized because like sorting algorithm can be solved up to the order of big O of n square. Or like if we can use merge sort, then it will be big O of n log n, but we have to optimize this solution. So like we have to use another approach. So like this is the approach I am discussing about. So firstly we will count the occurrences of each element, like how many times the 0 is occurring, how many times 1 is occurring, how many times the 2 is occurring. So here you can see from the array, like 0 is occurring for 2 times, 1 is occurring for 2 times, similarly 2 is also occurring for 2 times. So now we are able to know like what are the occurrences of each element. And one thing also we know, like you are given the 3 elements 0, 1 and 2. Okay, so what will be its sorted order? It will be 0, 1 and 2, like we know. So we will run a loop, firstly up to the occurrences of 0, in which we are making the array to 0. After that we are making the remaining part of array up to the occurrences of 1 to 1, and after that we are making the remaining occurrences 2. So what the steps involved can be given as we know, like count the number of occurrences 0, 1 and 2. After that we are sorting the order 0, 1 and 2. We know like 0 will come first, 1 will come, and then 2 will come, and we will run the loop corresponding to their counts. So now let's code it, so like we are able to know like what we have to do. So let's code. Firstly we will write the length of an array, that is nums.length. After that we will make 3 variables which will help me to store out the occurrences of 0, 1 and 2. So I will name it as C1, C0 and C2. Okay, now what we will do, we will run a loop. We will traverse through whole array, then we will calculate the occurrence, like if nums I equal to 0, then we will just increase the C0 counter. If our nums I is equal to 1, then we will increase the C1 counter. Else, like if my nums I is equal to 2, then we will increase the C2 counter. So by this way I can know the occurrences of each element, like C0, C1 and C2. After that we will run the loop corresponding to it. Okay, because we know like what first will come, firstly 0 will come, then 1 will come, then 2 will come. So we'll firstly run the loop for 0. So for int I equals to 0, I less than up to C0. Okay, because like total occurrences are C0 only. So what we will do inside this, we will just mark it as 0. After that we will run a second loop which will start from C0. Okay, because like up to C0 like all the elements are filled. Now from C0 we have to calculate the count of how many times the 1 is occurring. So it will go up to C0 plus C1. Okay, because like we have to calculate the total like up to C1, so we have to calculate C0 plus C1. So what we will do here, we will mark all the elements as 1. After that the final loop will go and it will go up to C0 plus C1. Okay, like from starting from C0 plus C1, and it will go up to the length of one array. Okay, and here what we will do, we will mark our element as 2. So like this is the whole code of it. Now let's run the code. If we get undesired output or like any error is there, so you can see it is accepted. Now let's submit it. So you can see like our submission is successful. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like our video, then please like, share and subscribe our video, and just press the bell icon so you can get the latest updates. So thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for further videos.